Okay, folks. We're slowly but surely getting these cubicles done. Make sure you get those telephones, young lady. Okay, folks. Okay, folks. We are now sanitizing the chairs, top to bottom, because we want everybody to be comfortable and feel safe. This is QualiCare Maids, and we're over in South Park tonight doing a COVID-19 cleaning and sanitizing. And like I say, we take pride in what we do. We make sure that all customers are satisfied with the work, and we do video and a walkthrough inspection. Now that's good service. And we thank all of our customers that we've done COVID-19 cleanings for this year, and we've done a lot. But it's almost an everyday thing. And we thank God none of us have gotten sick. So that's why we enjoy saving lives at QualiCare Maids, because we really care for our customers. Thank you and stay tuned. Okay, did you move that right there?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Okay, folks, we are doing a COVID-19 cleaning and sanitizing, and we're trying to touch everything in the room. Make sure the glass is shining, ladies. Make sure the glass is shining. Spray those trash cans with sanitizer. Okay, folks, we're getting ready to sanitize the back and front of all these doors. At QualiCare Maids, we take it beyond the limit. We give you a cleaning you didn't expect. Some people call us the Little Wayne of the cleaning industry, because we make everything bling bling. Stay tuned, folks. We're over at Hankin and Pack in South Park, and we are having a truly beautiful COVID-19 cleaning and sanitizing night tonight. And this is a beautiful office, so you know we gotta make it look good. Thanks and stay tuned in. Oh, he's really hitting that door, isn't he? Now that's how you do it, folks. We take pride in our work, and we will not let any other cleaning company outwork us. So all of your cleaning companies are saying you're the best. You're at home tonight watching Archie Bunker, and we're out cleaning. Now you tell me who's the best. Stay tuned. Okay, folks, just like to give you a tour of one of the rooms that we have completed, and it's ready for inspection. We are at Hankin and Pack, and this is the conference room. Now let me give you a look at the room I did. This is the lobby. Everything is cleaned and sanitized, but let me walk you through it slow. Let me walk you through slow here, folks. Now look at these desks. You got to see these desks. Look at those desks, folks. Look at them. Not a spot. And that's how we do it at QualiCare. Let me give you one more look. I don't think you saw what I saw. Okay, now you're seeing the desk. Now let's walk over here. Remember I told you about the bling bling? Now look at that bling bling on that. Okay, now this area is being cleaned. Let me give you another view. Okay. Now we're going to walk to another office that has been cleaned. He's still working on this office over here. Let's walk through here. Now, this is another office. Getting ready to vacuum clean it, arrange the chairs, and it will be done. Okay, folks. Gotta walk through here and check on everybody. Make sure everybody's doing good work. At QualiCare Maids, we give our customers the best of service. Okay. Let's see what we got. Okay. Folks, we told you we wouldn't let you down. We got to get all this crown molding in this building. And it's beautiful. But it ain't nothing easy about it, as you can see. But it's all we do at QualiCare. Now, she's wiping down the phones. Let's get a little video of that. Show you how detailed we get here. Now, anybody that says they can out clean us on a COVID-19 sanitizing and cleaning, tell them to give us a call. We'll put up $5,000. They put up $5,000 and let the customer judge it. Nobody's taken us up on that offer in 3 years. So, I wouldn't say I was the best cleaning company if I was some of you guys out there. Especially if you're not doing it like us. And a lot of you cleaning companies need to start. You really need to get some workers' comp so we can hire y'all to subcontract for us. Because a lot of you don't even have workers' comp. And that's not good. You're not protecting your employees. But at QualiCare Maids, you see what we do? We get it in. From the top of the door to the bottom of the floor. Stay tuned. As you can see, folks, there are a lot of blinds in this office. But they've got to be done. And we're going to do them. Every single one. At QualiCare Maids, this is what we do. Give the customers what they ask for. Thank you and stay tuned. Ain't nothing like clean blinds, they say. Makes the office feel better. Smell better. And it cuts down allergies. At QualiCare Maids, this is what we do. Okay. Let's see what we got here. Beautiful. Now let's just take a walk around, see what everybody else is doing. I gotta keep an eye on the employees. Let's see what we got. Okay. Okay, folks, we're easing on out of here. Right now, everybody's working hard. I guess that's what we do around here. Just work hard every day. QualiCare Maids, ain't nobody work harder. Now, like I tell you, it's a lot of blinds in this place. They should call this place Blind City. No, Ma, that's all clean. Next office. Yep. Everything, clean and sanitized, just got to be vacuumed. See, we clean so hard, we're cleaning up behind each other. Now, that's crazy. Okay, folks, we're adding the finishing touches now. We're finishing up here in the kitchen. We're vacuuming, and we're getting ready to call it a night in about another 20-30 minutes. Stay tuned. Thank you, folks. We are now completing our COVID-19 cleaning and sanitizing of Hankin and Pat. It's a beautiful office. Enjoy the video and have a great night.